Hi. Jet, what's this, Jet? What's the white one?
Get inside, Jesse.
No, walk.
He wants to walk. Walk fast.
Come on.
This is the snow, Jet. Are you cold, my love?
No.
No. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Where are we?
And the snow.
Snow. Okay. Go walk.
Snow.
No, come on.
Okay, let's go do some sledding.
Ali.
Sledding.
Daddy.
Okay. Go ride Dada's sled now. Whoa! Here. Whee! Get on it. Get on it. Thank you. You're welcome.
I'm going here.
Opo.
Is this it?
Okay.
This is where.
No.
Okay, bye-bye. The other one, Jet.
Hold on.
Okay.
Go.
Dada will pull you.
No.
And then we'll go to the other side. Look at the kid.
Hold on.
She's sledding over there.